Welcome to BrightSafe's Responsibilities Navigator. The Responsibilities Navigator can be found on the BrightSafe dashboard and will allow you to create responsibilities and assign tasks to members of staff within the business. Once you've selected the Navigator, you'll be able to create new responsibilities. These responsibilities can be statutory, those we've created as templates for you, or bespoke with free text fields for you to populate. Adding a new responsibility is a step-by-step process, ensuring that all of the relevant information is included, and this can be reviewed at any point moving forward. Statutory responsibilities can be chosen by category, and you can select as many as you require. You can also select responsibilities from different categories to build each one as necessary. Once your selection is complete, click Next. Each of the selected responsibilities will have a tile for further information. You can select the frequency at which the task must be completed, who owns the responsibility, and which site the responsibility is applicable to. Once this data is entered, select Confirm. The final steps in creating the responsibility are determining the due dates for the tasks, choosing whether the task is ongoing and repeats at the intervals determined, and selecting a task owner. If the task is ongoing, the system will auto-generate a new task with the chosen time frame, meaning that the task would not have to be recreated each time it is required. The task owner doesn't have to be the responsibility owner, meaning that those creating the responsibilities can delegate the associated tasks to the relevant member of staff within the business. Finally, click Create. The task will now appear in the Tasks section and can also be accessed from the Navigator. When completing a task, notes and documents may be attached for future reference. Simply select the task, add comments or files, and select Complete. Tasks will also appear on BrightSafe on the go should they be due within the next 7 days. You can also view and archive past responsibilities from the planner. You can check on all associated tasks, ensuring that the information held is accurate and, importantly, up to date. Log into BrightSafe now to create and manage health and safety responsibilities for your workplace.